Hello everyone, I have ordered this Wacom tablet from the Amazon for my graphic designing and I am going to unbox it. Let's see what is inside the box. This is the new Wacom Intuos small, and here we go to unbox it. I have already cut from the knife so you can see it, and now we are going to unbox it. This is the Wacom tablet. This is too much thin and light. This is you can see the size. This is my hands. You can see the size. It is very small and compatible. And here I unbox it. This is the tablet. You can see on the back of it there is a texture. This is very good texture. And let us look at the accessories provided. Here is the pen, Wacom battery free pen. You don't need to charge it. This is also very thin. It is a normal pen size and it looks very great. Now this is a USB connector. You can connect your laptop to this tablet through this connector. This is quite long, as you can see, and here are some manuals. And that's all. This tablet.